Hey, how's everybody doing today? So today I have a review for you for a USB smart charging station organizer here. This one is by Unitek. This is the 10 port one. You can see there's 10 USB ports. They sell other ones with like 4 USB ports as well. And let me just show you the box here, then we'll go over the actual unit itself as well as everything else that's included. You can see the features back here. It's rapid charging with BT 1.2 technology, power output up to 2.4A. Now you may want to ask, can all 10 ports charge at the 2.4A? Yes, it can. It also has 2 charging ports here. That is Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. And what exactly does that mean? Well, if you have a phone that's capable of fast charging, like you can see the 2 green ones here on the end. These are 2 QuickCom 3.0. So basically, if you have a phone like your Samsung Galaxy S6 or Galaxy Note 5 or S7, you're able to fast charge it. So you can plug it on here and then basically just charge it a lot faster than the actual standard. But you can also charge other phones in here that's standard too because it's backwards compatible. And let me just show you more of the features here. You can go ahead and put this on pause if you want to actually read through all of this. And well, there you go. Here's the box. And you can see it's 96 watts. And the power adapter, let me show you the power adapter. Now the power adapter is actually quite large. This is kind of like the size of my laptop AC adapters. But again, it's pushing 96 watts and you have 10 USB ports on here, so it has to be big. They have the Unitek has the 4 USB ones, and it's like half the size of this. Okay, and the cord here is about 6 from one plug to the other. It's about 6 feet 6 inches from here to the AC adapter, about here, 6 foot and 6 inches. And let me show you the actual product here. So you can see here, it's good quality. The dividers are actually pretty good on here. It's not usually, typically the other ones, the more inexpensive ones, these are like, they become like really like thin. These are pretty thick. These are good quality. I like how they go in and they kind of like stay in. They don't, if you turn them over, they're all not going to fall out. And you come with several dividers here. You can see there's a bunch of little ones here. Comes with 6 of these little ones, and you can put it in any width that you want. So you basically have 6 of these, and you have bigger ones in here as well. You can see here the size. And let me go ahead and do this too. Let me go ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and put these together, and I'm going to put some phones on here, put an iPad on here, and I'll show you what it looks like with everything all set up. So I'm not going to put everything perfectly in regards to dividers. I'm just going to kind of just wing it here just to show you, just for this video here. All right, so we put this on here. Let me go ahead and plug this into, and I'll show you the only LED light that should come on is just a little tiny blue LED light in here. But let me just go ahead and plug this in. So let me first go ahead and plug this side in right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and go to my wall outlet. Okay, so I did just plug it in, and the only thing that illuminates is this like blue light here. So let's go ahead and put some phones on here, some iPads. I have an iPad here. This is an old iPad. This is iPad 2, so this is much, much larger than the newer generation iPads. Hopefully I made these dividers thick enough. Looks to be okay here. Let me throw in an iPhone 7 Plus here. And let me move this back so you can kind of see what's going on here. And let me just start. Here's a Nexus 6P. That's a pretty huge phone. Samsung Galaxy is a J5. Here's an iPhone 6. Here's an iPhone 6S. Here's an iPhone 7 with a case on it. Here's a Samsung Galaxy S6. What else do I have here? Here's a Samsung Galaxy S5. And we'll throw this on here, HTC M9. Put that on the end. And I'm not going to go ahead and plug all 10 of them in. I'm just going to plug a few of them in here. And as soon as I plug these in here, it should start charging right away. I've already tested this before. I mean, everything on here works perfect. Now, the thing is that what I would recommend if you're dealing with iPads and Android phones, I would recommend you get something like this. Get like a 1-foot cord, something that has like dual outputs here, so you can charge iOS devices as well as standard Android devices as well. It just makes it a lot easier. So let me go ahead and I'll charge the device here. Plug this down here. Let me plug in here. So I'm only using 4 plugs in here. But again, you know, the 2 on the end here, let me just go ahead and lower down here. The 2 on the end, remember it's USB 3.0 Qualcomm. It's kind of like green. It's kind of green here. So if you do have a phone that's capable of fast charging, I think there's some LG phones that can capable of fast charging. I know my S6 can fast charge. If I plugged it in here, it would just fast charge. Also my S7, but I'm recording on my S7 now. Anyways, that's pretty much what it looks like. It's a lot better. I mean, it's a lot more organized. I would typically have my phones just laid out across the desk or just like piled up, and I'm always losing them and I can't find them. And this definitely organizes everything a lot better. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have questions or anything, just comment below. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I would appreciate that as well. Thanks for watching.